wing just batter somebody with it, go, whoa, 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 blimey, timely, it's a bit big having you. Hawkson, Circle, our sister community in Japan. It's a Gazunda, oh, okay. Yeah, I like the action, Lee, and it's an under. Oh, I thought, how's this work, Lee? Do we know? Oh, God, don't break your arm. One down. Don't really know much about this. Right. But I'm guessing. So, would you come back here? Yeah. And I think this is one of those seasonal walks where there's no leaves on the tree at the moment. Right, so we're with Lee and we've come to somewhere we've both never been before. We're just outside Boston, and what we're going to do is take you for a walk to somewhere that we've not been before. So there's the Boston UFO and there's the Boston Stump. So apparently there's it's a thing, there's a car crash victim thing. Oh, Lee, you could definitely do a hello. Yeah. Subscribers, sorry, whoever that was, here, but as you can see when we're filming it, we're just out of the Christmas period. So, yeah, so is that it, or is this just something really random? Santa's little helpers. So, we're at Jenny's Wood. Yeah, I found Jenny's Wood. Never been here before. We'll show where we're parked and what else there is. So a bit of a map here. So parking, tarmac, see, uphill section, downhill section. Oh, we're here. So I don't know. Right, so there are a couple of tarmac car parks about, so that's where we are, and there's a couple of ways in, and there's rubbish bins, but what we didn't realise, so we've eaten on the way down, didn't we? What I hadn't realised is there is an eatery here as well. In fact, we might go in the woods this way, I think. You all excited, Lee? Yeah, somewhat brand new, isn't it? Oh, it's quite new. As I say, we are still in the festive season. Oh, they do burgers. They do burgers early. Right, so there is a fitness trailer. You going to do any of the fitness things, Lee? Maybe. So does it say start course here? Should we start from here, or should we start from over there?
Start here.
Start here, right? We're going with Lee. Hang on, what's that there? Right. Lee, what's in the camo hut? So we're really enjoying a very mild but very wind. Oh, I'll tell you what. Let's go back to the car and get the drone, just in case. Yeah, right. So I'm guessing if we turn left there, go left, that should take us back to the car. Or should we go that way? You decide, Lee. You're the leader today.
What's that?
Right. Those who vote for Lee to be the leader today, thumbs up to this video. We want Lee for our leader. Come on, Lee, join in. We want Lee for our leader. We want Lee for our leader. Because he's big and strong. What are you, Lee? Big and strong. There's a lot of memorial plaques here. So is this what people are saying about road crash victims? I'm not too sure, and I'm going to be very careful and be a little bit sensitive here. So Royal Regiment, Spalding Parachute Regiment. $1,200 trees are dedicated here to the airborne soldiers of the Air London Light Regimental Royal Artillery, 1941 to 1945. We will remember them. We will remember them. Lee, I think we've gone wrong already. Well, I'm following you, Lee. You're the leader, Lee. What's that through there? That wooden thing. Is it a pond and a picnic bench? Should we go and have a look? Go on, let's go and have a look. We are going to pop back to the car and get the drone. I don't know if we're going to put the drone up because it's very, very windy, but we might. Oh, bubble rushes. Found a picnic bench. Lovely. Right, so there is a path and information, but I think we need to get our way back to the car. Right, we found our way back. Right. So a couple of observations in this video. We got something to eat a little bit earlier, and this year the saying "guys," which many of you will know I detest. Hey guys, hi guys, hey guys, hello guys, hi guys, is now being replaced by mate. Hey mate, all right mate. And we were watching something on television that there is a phenomenon of people who admire sticks that they pick up, mainly in woods, and then post them online. There's hundreds of thousands of people are posting pictures of good sticks. Lee, don't it just show people my stick? Look at that for a stick. Just demonstrate what it can be used for, Lee. It can be a walking stick. Yeah, do a swing, just batter somebody with it, go, whoa, blimey, chap. It's like a lightsaber stick. Lee, if you had a dog you could throw it, it could be a fetch stick. Right, I think by the end of it, can I have my stick back? By the end of today, Lee's now going to find a stick what is better than mine. Do you take the challenge, Lee? Yeah. Right, who's going to have the big stick? So Lee's the leader. You're going to have the big stick. Right, so ironically enough, we've now come in away from the car park. Jenny's Wood is named in memory of Jenny Melvin Nee Isaac. September the 2nd, 1959 to September 21st, 2002. Immerse yourself in the peace and tranquility. Relatively new. Right, well, we're just following Lee today because Lee's the leader. Lee, there's a little bird's nest there. Do you know what will happen in spring? Eggs will go in there, won't it? There won't be any birds sleeping in it over winter, will there, Lee? Right, on we go. I'm following Lee. It's all a bit barren and sparse and not very green at the moment. So we walked before, so this is the other side of this pond. It's got a lot of bulrushes around it. Watch out for the bird reeds. Common frogs. Common toad. And the sticklebacks. So those of a certain age who used to go down to your local brook, your little river, your stream or your beck with a little fishing net and a jam jar, catching sticklebacks. But we used to call them tiddlers. Right, okay. So over this side here, there's some fishing lakes. I'm impressed by my stick lately. My stick's fantastic. Sarah Spinney, Henry Isaac, and here we are. Compassionate soul with an irrespectful spirit. She always did what she thought was right, and she usually was. Generous thoughts, kind to her heart. A lovely human being. Woo. It's windy. We've got the first challenge for lately. Do you want me to do the look after the drone? Right, hang on a minute. Right, we've got the up and over. We've got the over and under. Right, Lee, leg it. I think you've got to go over, then under. Go over. Oh, over. That's it. Up, and down he goes. And it's a gazunda. Oh, okay. Yeah, I like the action, Lee. And it's an under. Gazunda. Oh, and it's go over. Here he goes. Oh, and it's an under. It's an under and an over this time. And it's an over. Oh, God, Lee. And it's an over. What you like? Up and an under. This could be a very long walk. Sweet. Bill Spinney, in memory of A.W. Isaac Jr. Bill. William, A.W. was that William. He loved to be in the great outdoors, the garden, the woods, the hills and the mountains. Many good friends he must meet. Relax, reflect and enjoy his space. Right, we've got another thing. What is it, Lee? Balance boards. Right. So no, I think you need to go up and down, right, not across. Hang on, you're going that way, right. So first one to go. That's it, keep going. Don't get blown over, Lee. Lee, you got blown over. Oh, I like the style. He's like, oh. Lee, if that was a big ravine, you'd now be dead. Oh, it's the is it the wind or are you just falling? Ah, it's really windy. Oh, no, Lee, he's got to make it, he's going to make it. This time now, this is the one. Go on, Lee, lad. Come on, son. What's the puzzle? Yeah, sort of. I would go on the second one because that'd be more rigid, that one. This was a bit boingy, but I think that'd be a bit more rigid. Right, here we go. The concentration. Oh. Tell you what to do, Lee. I'll borrow my walking stick as a balance stick, so you can hold it out like that way, or walking. Here we go. Here we go. Oh! He nearly stabbed me. Right, well done. What's the next one? We've got another one here now. What's this, Lee? Very marshy. It's a balance weaver. I think, this should be quite easy. Don't get your feet wet and cold, whatever you do. Just be careful. If I just come back, you're going to get soaking. Yeah, that's nice and easy, that one. And straight back. Got them worn out after all of that, Lee. The Oak Avenue. So these look like they're saplings. Look at the leaves. Another 50 or 100 years time, Lee. It's a big avenue. Another assault. Right, the horizontal ladders, aka monkey bars. Right, this is very muddy, so I'm hoping Lee doesn't get soaked here. Right, will he be able to get up and all the way over? Oh dear. Oh no. Oh no. Will he do it? Oh God. You're not doing that? No, I think that's sensible, Lee. I think that's. I'll tell you what. Should we come back in summer? We'll come back in summer, and the ground is very marshy. What's this other post we've got here? Horizontal ladder again. Right. So one thing we are noting, that if you have got any mobility issues or you're on a mobility scooter, there's obviously a car park down there, and it's got a really good path on it. Come around here on a Segway, couldn't we? Oh, what have we got here now? Oh, weasels. Watch out for the weasels. Yellow rattle. Painted lady butterflies. And hares. See what I can you see what, it's not as good as mine, but I've just spotted one. What? See what I've got in my hand there? What's that there? Any good? Is it more of a whacking? Is that a whacking one you got? It's a whacking stick, not a walking stick. You're not having that? Oh, he's rejected a stick. Right, we've got the Hawkson Circle, our sister community in Japan. Wow. And in Japanese, so let's go to the middle here, and then what we've got I won't be here in 50 years time. You should still be about in 50 years time, Lee. I won't be here in 50 years. You're going to come back, Lee? These trees are all mature. Well, hang on, no, I will be here in 50 years time, because I'll only be 37 then, won't I? No, I will be here in 50 years time, because I'll be 37 then. What will you be in 50? You're 23. That's 50. You'll be 83, Lee. 73, sorry, beg your pardon. 50. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. Okay. And I've got another secret hidden. I'm thinking of Simon's 30s, isn't he? Aye, what's this one here now? It's an interesting old place, isn't it? Charming chandler spinney. Memory of Ian Chalmers, 1951 to 2012. The best husband, father, friend and colleague. He's been protected by Calder's and Granridge. I think that is a really good idea, that when you're no longer with us, to have something like that planted. Because I'm not going to get buried or anything. My ashes are going to go out into the sea. So when I'm not here, Lee, are you going to plant a tree for me? What kind of tree? An oak tree. So it's quite a thing now to actually be buried, and then a tree be put on top of you, and then as the body decomposes, it helps the tree to grow, doesn't it? So I think Sandra's dad's in a graveyard like that. Okay. It's all marshy, so it's on reed beds. Harvest mice, dragonfly, common reed warbler, bittern, moorhens, bulrushes and coots. What's the difference between a coot and a moorhen, Lee? See the red bill? Frogs, herons, marsh harriers, water voles and bearded tits. I don't really know much about this, but I'm guessing you need permission. I don't know, you need to pay if you want to have a pet buried. in memory are Boxer Boys, Spike and Harvey Travis, who love walking these woods. Pet whipping dog called Jack, working pat dog for most of his life. Lulu. I was wondering what that was then. Doctor's come by with us. Tank, Barney and Amber, and Flo and Buddy. There's a little, that fucking leg in it, did you see that? Right. The Hornbeam Compass, followed in 2015 by John and Pat Shaw, and by the grandchildren. Another circle up. This compass is 3.35 kilometres, a little over 2 miles west of the Meridian Line, the Meridian Line. So hang on a moment. Right, okay, so that's east. I love this stick, Lee. It's the best stick I've ever had. I've never had a stick as good. So is that west? So which way is north? There's north. And south. Right, so a little over 2 kilometres west of the Meridian Line, Lee. How good is that? Keep our ground nesting birds, raise their families by keeping your dogs on a lead. Right, this is all very strange, this now, isn't it? So we're now at the Sir Joseph Banks Country Park. It's portion 27.5 acres. Okay. Right, maybe we'll come back on this one on another day and we'll carry on Jenny's Wood today, shall we? Because it looks like, I thought that was a road to the fishing lake, but it looks like there's a car park or something there, isn't there? There's a wood there, but there's some good sticks there. Community orchard. Oh, wait till Sandra finds out. Diamond Jubilee. 2012. Dual purpose apples. Oh, these are all the apples. Oh my goodness me. Sleeping Beauty. Pears, plums. Right. Anybody in? I'm not too sure. Leave it. Give some privacy. Right, we found a community orchard. There's loads of these like little pixie chairs, isn't there? In memory of Deborah Slater, 1964 to 2020. Those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day. Another spinney, beaver spinney, planted in November 2011. Another challenge for Lee now. It's a bit like the Krypton factor, isn't it? Right, hang on, let's see what we've got. There's two things. Bench sit-ups. Ooh, that's going to be painful, Lee. What's that one there then? That's bench sit-ups. How many sit-ups do you think you can do, Lee? One. one more than me. And the platform sit-ups. So you have to put your feet underneath there and then go that way. So let's go with a... Right, there we go, right. How many sit-ups are you going to do? Oh, I thought... How's this work, Lee? Do we know? Your trousers need washing, Lee. Was that it? Yeah. Oh. So I'm not too sure whether you're meant to sit on there and then you put your feet under there, I think. And then you do your Right, here we go. Right, here's 1 and 2. Oh, just 1 today. Go on, I dare you to do 5. He's all right. Oh God. Oh God. I wasn't expecting this when we come out today. I don't know, we were just going to have a walk around the park. What have we got here, Lee? Now then, what have we got here? This looks a bit challenging. Rollover bars. Oh, I used to go dizzy doing these. Really dizzy. Can you do rollovers? Yeah. Right, just hold me stick there. Hold the camera. Right, so what you come around here. So what you used to do on these, those of a certain age will remember. I'm not going to do this because I'm too old, because I'm 37 now. But when I was like 7, you go onto here, you put your leg in, and then you roll your body over, and then you go immensely dizzy. A day, Lee? No, I'm not doing it. I'm going to go dizzy, and I've got to drive. I don't know. These are way high. The height of them ones. Oh, these are chin-up bars. Chin up, Lee. Chin up. Right, he's going for a chin-up. Here he goes. Up. 1. Oh. 1, 2. Oh. God, can you do that one there? Oh, goodness me, blimey. Oh, God, go. Oh, try that one there. 1 and a bit. So on all of these exercise things, Lee, so far today, it's been an achievement of 1. Oh God, right. There's loads of benches here if you come here as well. There's another one there, an owl box. More reed beds in the middle. Oh, strange old place. I don't know. We'll try and explain it when we get to the end. Watch out for the meadow sweet. Meadow sweet is a widespread plant, grows in wet woodlands. Damselflies and dragonflies. Purple loosestrife and the mollards. And then there's a bit of a bench, so I'm guessing some kind of a pond or a wetland of some sort. There's a trail through there. Oh, that's really pretty. Everything's swaying in the sunshine. Look at that. Don't know if the camera's picking that up. Oh, how beautiful is that? Hang on a minute. Whoa. Is that your stick? Yeah. You're going to keep that forever? Definitely. Good that, Lee, isn't it? Yeah. You're proud of that? Yeah. Right, we've both got a stick now. Right, and we've got another challenge coming up as well here. Look at this. Oh, it's a frog leap. Oh my God. So you've got lowers and highers. I think you're gonna have to leapfrog all the way along, and then you're going to higher and then come down this way. Which way are you going to go first? Do you want me to look after your stick? Yeah. Right, hang on a minute, I'm going to look after the stick. Right, stay stick, right. Leapfrog. These might be a bit hard because you're very tall. Oh, oh. Okay, these are for little people, I think. These are definitely for little people. Hang on. These are getting a bit higher. Oh, gotta be careful how you land, Lee. You could end up. Woof. You don't want crushed nuts, Lee. Oh. Oh. Go on, Lee. Go on. I'm sending you good spirits. Oh. Oh, God, don't break your arm. One down, one down. This one is a little bit lower. Oof! It should get a bit easier. Oh, you guys nailed this. That's cocking your leg over it, Lee. That's not leapfrogging. Look, oh. Well done. The leapfrog has been accomplished. You're proud of yourself there, Lee. I'm proud of you. Which are you more proud of? Completing the leapfrog or finding a stick? Finding a stick. For the bench. I'm making music. And mine's a pointy stick, Lee. There's a picnic bench. Oh, look what I've got coming up. So earlier we were on the beginning of the Oak Avenue on the other side, and obviously we walked round, but if you did want to shortcut through, you can just come straight through here. Who have I found, Lee? That's not a kangaroo, is it? That's just a kangaroo. Oh, it looks nothing like. Why do you think it looks like a kangaroo?
It stands.
Hey?
It stands. Looks like it's about to jump.
Is it a rabbit or a hare? I think it's a hare because it's got massive big ears. Look at it. Look at this fella here. How beautiful is that? That's absolutely gorgeous, that. Absolutely amazing, beautiful. Right, so we're back into a wooded area. What's going through my mind at the minute, we're a bit sheltered from the wind. I don't know if to put the drone up on that clear area where the Oak Avenue was. Fancy it or not?
Yeah.
Right, Jenny and Jill Royal, you're so special. We're going to sit down on your bench. It's very windy, and we are going to put the mini drone up. Up it goes there. He's having a look at their concentration. So if you didn't know, you can actually see from above what's going on the screen, and there's a full gimbal on there as well, isn't there, Lee? So you can, as well as moving the drone about, you've got a gimbal for the lens. Very lowly, very low in the sky. Right, I think what we'll do, we'll insert some clips that Lee's doing now, and then we'll be carrying on our walk. So enjoy some drone footage of the park we're in at the moment. Hey, I hope you enjoyed a little bit of footage. You got a lot of people commenting how good your drone flying is, Lee. I think you're done really good with it. Right, so we're following Lee. So we're going to go left. Or we're going to go right? I think it's right, isn't it? Left, sorry, right. Ruby, Geordie, Blue, Feb, Stevie, Teddy and Lenny. My guess is those are... Oh, we're back at the car park. My guess is those are dogs. And boom, just like that, look, we're back at the food cabin. Neat frog, chin up, roll over, sit forms, horizontal ladders, balance boards, up and over. Did all of them, didn't you? Right. Okay. So, sort of back in the car park, and then we'll have a quick chat with Lee and just give our views on our walk today. But as ever, get off your backsides if you just sat there and go, oh, there's nowhere to go or nothing to do. So I didn't know this place existed. Well, what we did, I need to go into Boston, and I thought let's have a look around Boston, and then found this place, and then we've got another walk to do now, haven't we? Right, come on, Lee, let's rest up for a moment. Jenny's Woods, right. So would you come back here?
Yeah.
And I think this is one of those seasonal walks where there's no leaves on the tree at the moment, it's all brown, but if you come here 4 times a year in the seasons, winter, spring, summer and autumn, you'll see the whole year unfold. It's quite a sweet place. Yeah. And I was saying to Lee, it's quite spiritual. Is that the word I'm looking for? With all the little coppices and spinneys all named after people and things like that. And then there is a website, this is the Boston Woods Trust. I did have a quick look before we came out, where they've got a number of woods in the area. So I think we'll put some of those on the radar. As ever, this video is in a playlist with walks and places to visit. Many of them are now in Lincolnshire, as well as other places that we've been to. So if you're looking for something to do, maybe a little bit different to what you normally do, check out this playlist that we're on here. If you're not already done so, it'd be absolutely fantastic if you could subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed, and if you hit the notification bell, you get a notification when we upload a video, and smashing the like button, fantastic. Look after yourselves. Hope you enjoyed the little walk with me and Lee. Lee, say ta-ra.
Ta-ra.
As we report, as this report even comes to an end from Jenny's Wood.